Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to log out on crypto.com app. First, we log into our app and then type our passcode, and after that, in the upper left of your screen you can see this three line, so click that, and then in here scroll down and click this settings button, and then as we can see we're in the profile and settings. We can see our name, the refer and earn, the other referral code, our account, your security, notification, app customization, support, about, and in the lower part, you can see this log out button. So just click that, and then just click log out, and then there you go. You log out your account. That's it.